prime time, till the sunshine. Showtime, let's get it. Well, we with the ball in together with
Show good love and God.
and if you're in the channel to end,
Hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe.
Let's go. So guys, today we're back again with part 2 of the Stray Kids solo songs that they released, and we are starting with Hyunjin So Good. Before that, I wanna like apologize. We switched speakers, so I don't want you to be like, how comes this part 2 it sounds so well? It's because we use the JBL in here, so it don't sound epic.
Is that an ad?
Yeah? Is that an ad?
Yeah.
I never know. Maybe JBL like paid me, and I'm like,
Okay.
alright, let's go. Hyunjin So Good.
Yeah, I saw his post on IG. He trimmed his hair.
Oh yeah, he has the best.
He has a buzz cut. Man. Damn, oi. Yeah.
That fashion.
Alright.
It's a gun show.
Whoa! Hey! Ah, this is Hyunjin style.
You did that beat, bro.
Yeah.
Life is so good.
It is great. Head down.
Feel like. Wow. That feels so good.
Wow.
Yo! This is so
Wow.
Is that a Versace belt?
He has a contract with Versace, right?
Yo!
That
Yo!
is so good. Yeah, Jim.
That was really cool, man.
Well,
Life is so good.
life is so
So
good.
good.
Life is so dynamic.
So
Another
and
thumbs
chilling.
up for him, right?
Mm.
That was phenomenal.
This is the type of song where you're in the studio,
Mm.
you're hyped, you listen to a beat and you just start singing. Life is so
Mm.
good, life is so... And you come up with a song.
I don't know why, but I feel like out of all the 4 songs we've watched, 5 songs plus this one, he's the one who like stayed and represented the Stray Kids franchise or NCT type of vibe. Like this kind of songs that are like, I don't know how to say this, like
Upbeat.
upbeat and like everything. That's if you listen well, like this genre, it's like different from all the 5. Every
Yeah,
genre was
true.
different, but this one was like when you know how sometimes NCT, especially NCT 127 songs be
Yeah.
like, or when some Stray Kids songs be like this. I feel like he's the one who stood with that concept because it had a lot of things going on in the beat and a
There's
lot
even a
of
dance
dance
break.
breaks and the, when you think the dance break is over, it come another dance.
Yeah.
Like I was like, what's going on?
It's
To
a-
me, to me at least, I felt like that.
Okay.
It's unique. It's lovely. I love
Yeah.
it.
He's already released the behind the scene.
Behind the scene of how to.
On the short side.
Oh, Life is So Good on how he shot it. Yo, and did you see his piercings? Is that real piercings?
I think.
Yeah, it looks like leads, man. Like, if that's real, man, we need to see more of that.
I thought you were going to get
I
some.
thought you were going to try.
Nah, not everything I can try. Come on, man. I get,
Try, bro.
you know,
Life
in
is
Africa,
good.
life is good. I'm about to exist, but I still got parents and family. They're gonna disown me. You know, I don't say it's a bad thing, but in Africa, you know, we got different cultures. So some parents don't understand that.
Different morals.
Morals, yeah, morals, not culture, morals. They be like, they don't want you to put earrings, they don't want you to do those things. They feel like,
They didn't want you to put dreads though.
Yeah.
ask for permission though. Ask for permission from my dad before I ever started dressing. It was like, man, it's alright, you do you, man. As long as you're still a good boy.
Then you can do the piercings and do
When I bring that topic, we'll do this, huh? Like, what are you saying? Anyway, let's go to Changbin Ultra. Hey, this was the Ultraviolence. I remember this song from the trailer. It was the most leads. Everyone was hyped up because they gave us like a real glimpse of how the song is going to be like. I'm so excited for this one, Changbin. Damn, he entered like the Matrix. Wait.
You need to start that.
Wait. We cannot put. Stop playing. Woo. That's a low voice. No. You know what? This is a JBL. This is JBL, don't play.
Wow, you put it.
It's Ultraviolence. Are you ready for the Ultraviolence that's about to happen? Stop, yo! Let's go! Power! Hey! Oh! Goosebumps! Ultra! Hey! Woo! Ultra! Hey! Ultra! Hey! Ultra! He's like a boss!
Yeah, it's like a mafia for real.
Ultra! Ultra! Nathan! Woo! owned this song. What? Yo, but why did the producer had to reduce the voice?
I think it would have like blown the speakers.
He had to reduce. He was like, that is crazy. Yeah. Man, this song, why is it only having 1.8? It's supposed to have
More.
more. To me, actually, out of all the 6 songs we've watched now, Ultra is the best to me. I feel like it really stood up to me and it fits his vibe.
Yeah.
There's a person who likes Ultra and he's even flexing his muscles, he likes working out. Yo, for a moment I was like, I'm getting in 2025 with a new bias or what? What is happening, bro? Maybe it's okay, let's put it, maybe it's my bias record, alright? Because Hyunjin is my bias, yeah, I like this song.
What happened to Han though?
Han?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember I was saying like, oh, Han is bias record.
Oh.
I mean, you know, Boss Records, they change. Records, they just rate you every time. But Changbin, bro, Changbin is different. I felt his vibe more in this song, bro. But I felt like the producer, like, somehow lowered the real voice of, the real sound of this song. You know, they do that. Like, you don't want it to be more like, too loud, yeah. But it's very, very lit song.
The Ultra part is so good. The aura there, he gained 1,000 points.
And you mentioned Ban. Was it Ban or Hulk or not? Was it Hulk or Ban or not?
Hulk.
Yeah.
Incredible Hulk.
His name was Banner.
Even the theme is green.
Yeah, that's why when I saw, I feel like Ban.
It threw something in the sky.
Oh,
Chemical
yeah. It's all about like Changbin and him being Ultra, and that's why even every time he's doing this, bro.
And the game, at the one play when he said like, I walked like an ant and now I'm like a giant.
Yeah.
Ant and giant.
Transition right there. Ultra, man, for me, that's my favorite out of all the 6 songs so far.
Ultra was neat.
You what?
Bruce Banner.
Oh, Bruce Banner. Okay, now we're going to Lino Youth. This just came out 4 days ago. They're playing the like the trailer. Bingo. It's like a fun song. What you want? For real, it's time to bed. Now you're you. You got nothing to lose. Oh, wow, the animated is crazy. Time to bed. Yeah.
Is it fine?
No. Oh, it's
Oh,
glowing.
you got it?
You.
Nice song, nice song,
Yeah.
nice song.
And the message of the song too. It's even better.
For
It's
sure.
time.
We're all the youth
Tomorrow.
right now.
Yeah.
For sure.
This is the
From
time
20
now.
to 29 is the youth age, right?
From I think yeah. Maybe from 18. Yeah.
35?
Okay.
Actually, it's saying the truth, bro. Like the time is now. You won't be able to bet when you're already 35. When the youth is old, you can't bet because you have a lot to lose. You have like your own family. I know we all have families now, but your own life, like you're a dad with a wife and kids. Yeah, you created something.
Get it?
So you can't bet at that time. So
Right now
people
you
say,
can
like,
do anything because your parents, they created you, they can back you up.
Yeah.
But once
yeah.
you create something, on
You're
your
supposed to
own,
back in.
Like everyone, yeah,
Yeah.
very good song. And I like the way I was like, I think he really limited his voice. Like this certain voice he used throughout the whole song.
Yeah.
I feel like,
voice.
like he didn't go very high. Like the way he recorded this song, I was like,
It's time to bet, man. Go all in on what you believe in.
Also nice idea of the video.
Yeah.
You might actually think it's betting, like betting, gambling, like.
When they started with the bingo and they tried to steal it
You
from
have
her,
to
and everyone like, it was just awesome.
But it's actually betting in life, you know.
Another thumbs up
Yeah.
for Lino Youth. Alright, now we're going to Bang Chan. This came out just the other day and it's already surpassed 2.2 million views. Railway.
Melody of PTR.
Half human, half
Tunnel vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, there's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, there's just one trip. No turning back, hold tight onto the railings. It's only us for something saying, please. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat.
Sick.
Don't you care about the
Superhuman.
It's really
when it's just you and me, baby. I feel
Yo, what are they? Zombie.
Like Underworld.
this train never sleeps. Yeah, this train, no break, no breaks. This train, the engines go insane. LA, it rains.
Ah, the rhymes.
We head on round. Fear is dead, no doubt.
I like the weekend.
Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat.
That's the other version of it.
Casualties, casualties, 'cause it's tough when it's just you and me, baby. I feel
There's two of them.
yeah, this train never sleeps.
But you know, as you keep on listening, you don't want it to end.
half of people. What is happening?
Yeah, because now it's the other eye which is like that. But this one has more black.
This train never sleeps.
It's a song that you don't want it to end. It's very catchy. And you're realizing it as it's ending.
Wait,
It's
is
got
this
this
the
calm
song
demeanor.
the short performance of? That had red.
Oh yeah.
It's this one?
Yeah, it's this one I think. Yeah.
Mm.
Short performance.
Yeah, on the stage. Watch them. The unreleased songs.
Mm.
So we only saw Bangchan, but the others no.
We saw.
You just don't remember.
I don't remember if it was these songs or not.
That's why I was confused and I asked that
I think
on
even
part
Han
one.
saw it. Han has a song.
Ah. Yeah, I'm
Like
sure.
we did like before the other unreleased song. Then we come and did the other unreleased songs. I think which was these unreleased songs.
Yeah.
And I don't know if we did all of them or not, but I kind of feel like it was this one. But the video of this, oh,
It's very epic.
very.
It's a movie, it's not even a video.
The video and the audio stood two complete opposite meanings.
Bruh, this train never sleeps.
Like
The
if you
video
just listen
and
to
the
the audio,
are
you
complete
wouldn't
opposite
imagine the video
Yeah.
to be like this.
Mhm.
You know, the audio has this calm demeanor. You know,
Yeah.
it's really calm, but the video, it's
it's
like
really
it's
good.
killing villains or something.
Mm. That was very, very
The moment it
unique.
started reminded me of The Weeknd.
Yeah.
Even some parts where
And
how
even
he's
some part in
singing.
the video.
Mm.
Like in the Starboy Weekend video, he
Mm.
kills himself in the beginning.
Oh.
So it felt like this one where in the end he also kills himself. Like there are two sides of himself fighting.
Yeah.
That's why he's saying like this train never sleeps. It's like it's going full cycle.
Mm.
If that one side of him does something,
Mm.
the other one comes and overtake the
The other.
one, and then it starts again. So it never sleeps.
Mm-hmm.
It reminded me of
Railway.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh,
A little bit.
And Bangchan and Felix are the ones who sang in English.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about Iron Hallucination? It was not full English.
Yeah, it's a mixture of English and Korean.
So it's only the two of them full.
The others are mixed.
I like the idea that every single artist in their videos
Mm.
they have their own palettes. It's like they have their own colors.
Yeah.
They have their own, even fonts are different. It's like if someone could say like it's Stray Kids, they could use the same fonts for their title of the songs and everything. But they have the different fonts.
Yeah.
They have different color palettes. Like the video, this one you can see it's red and black. The other one is green. The other one is
Yeah.
very bright.
And even the journal.
Yeah.
I can't believe all 8 songs are different.
It's like they are trying to showcase every type of identity of the same of different
They
colors.
channel the ultra mind.
Other than just
Ultra mind.
other than just using that one Stray Kids idea,
Yeah.
they use their different artist ideas.
Yeah.
So the
Well,
songs are in the album.
I feel like if we all challenge ourselves and try to
Use the ultra mind.
ultra mind. Let's do
Power.
like say ultra mind. We need to check ultra mind and we need to, because I feel like if everyone be creative, you lock yourself for 5 days and make something to be epic.
Can't.
Bro, you remember my song I made you listen to it? Pain.
Pain.
Yeah, bro.
Pain.
I was in lockdown and I made that song, bro.
Yeah,
It
you
was
were going
epic.
through something, literally.
It was epic. Nah, I wasn't going through something. Yeah.
Ultra mind, brother. Ultra mind.
Anyway, that was amazing. 4-in-1. We did all of them. We enjoyed. I hope you guys also enjoyed, and we'll see you again next time. Next year. Stay safe, stay tuned. Peace.